Hello everyone. Hello everyone. I'm Dr. Priyanka Sutaria. I am a dermatocosmetologist. I'm practicing since last 17 years. I practice at Skin Experts Clinic, Rajkot, Gujarat. Today, we'll be hearing everything about you wanted to know about acne or pimples or zits, whatever you call. Everything from all the W's of acne, why it happens, when it happens, where it happens, whom to consult, what are the treatment modalities, and which are my options for the cosmetic treatments. So, what we'll be doing, I'll be taking stepwise, and in between, if you'll get questions, I'll try to answer them as fast as possible. So, acne or pimples or zits, so it's a big problem, it's a very big problem. So what is exactly acne? Our skin, I'll speak a little bit in Hindi also. हमारी skin में there are hundreds and thousands of hair follicles, and there is a tiny gland called the sebaceous gland, the pilosebaceous glands. So basically, pimple is an outburst or a infection or a blockage of those pilosebaceous glands. So, and why does it happen more on the face? Because you'll be surprised to know, but the maximum number of pilosebaceous or the hair follicles are present on the face, especially on the cheeks. So the pilosebaceous glands, for whatsoever reasons which I'll be discussing later on, whenever it gets blocked, they cause something called as pimples, acne, whiteheads, blackheads, comedons. So that is the reason of acne. It generally happens both in males and females, starts from the age of 12 years now, because it is related to hormonal change, as young as 12 years to whatever age. So 12 to the 20s, then 20s to late 30s, and later the 30 plus. That is called the senile acne. So these are the age groups. It can happen both in men and women. Face is the predominantly affected area, but it can happen anywhere on the body, right from the scalp to the back, on the shoulders, legs, thighs, anywhere on the body. So those are different forms of acne. We doctors generally grade acne from grade 1 to grade 5. कि कौन सी कितना सिवियरिटी है एक्ने का. अगर छोटे छोटे वाइट हेड्स जैसे हैं, वी कॉल इट ग्रेड 1. दैट इज टर्मिनोलॉजी इज मोर फॉर द डॉक्टर्स, बट आपकी अंडरस्टैंडिंग के लिए मैं इसलिए बता रही हूँ कि अगर जब आप ग्रेड 2 या 3 में जाते हैं, यानी कि जब पस फिल्ड या नोडुलोसिस्टिक एक्ने, या मतलब दर्द होने लगता है, बॉयल्स जैसे दिखते हैं, देन यू हैव टू कंसल्ट अ डॉक्टर. So grade 3 plus, you should consult a doctor. Actually, you should consult the dermatologist right from grade 1. But just in case, grade 3, 4, you have to consult the doctor. Now, what are the genetic, why does it happen? I'll give you a very short overview. So, right from genetic, जिनके parents को acne रहता है, those kids, those people, they have a higher tendency of getting pimples rather than the general population. One. Then, things like your food, I'll be discussing diet, occupation, आप क्या काम करते हैं. जिन लोगों का काम जैसे कि फील्ड वर्क है, कुछ भी ऐसा वर्क है जिसमें बहुत ज़्यादा डस्ट उड़ता है, कटिंग ऑयल उड़ता है, मेकअप ज़्यादा होता है, हीट एक्सपोजर ज़्यादा होता है, उन सब केस में एक्ने ज़्यादा होते हैं. सो दोज आर ऑक्यूपेशनल एक्ने. देन मेडिसिन का साइड इफेक्ट, जनरली दैट इज़ पार्ट ऑफ द डर्मेटोलॉजिस्ट, बट स्टिल स्टेरॉइड्स हैं, कुछ स्टमक रिलेटेड इम्यूनोमॉड्यूलेटर्स हैं, या कुछ ऐसे टिपिकल दवाइयाँ होती हैं जिसमें एक्ने इज रिलेटेड टू द मेडिसिन ऑल्सो. स्टेरॉइड्स है, बर्थ कंट्रोल पिल्स है, स्पेशली फॉर फीमेल्स. इफ you suddenly feel that I'm getting a lot of acne, just first of all check on the OC pills, the hormonal pills. Are you on hormonal pills? Then you have to consult your gynec. As simple as hair oils, dandruff. So the the first point is genetic, like hereditary. Second is your occupation. Then your diet, hormonal imbalance. So what about diet? In all my talks, I generally, give quite a lot of importance to diet. See, you don't have to follow very fancy diets, बट एक जो सिंपल इंडियन डाइट है, होलसम इंडियन फूड इज़ वेरी गुड, जिसमें दाल सब्जी रोटी, यू नो वी हैव एवरीथिंग. Cut down on the whites, cut down on things like over excess eating of sugar. Milk is little contradictory because we don't have a lot of proofs regarding milk, but in general I have seen people who are taking more than 200 ml or 300 ml of milk a day, मतलब 1 से 2 ग्लास से जो ज़्यादा दूध लेते हैं, because milk is considered to be little, it produces lot of, it has little fat, it has, these days some people produce milk by giving hormones to the cattle. So milk हम लोग जनरली ये प्रेफर करते हैं कि जो एक्ने प्रोन लोग हैं उन लोगों को मिल्क नॉट मोर देन 200 ml. You can take curd and all that for the calcium purpose, but milk less. Then cut down on sugars, like I said, cut down on whites like maida and all that. So that all reduces. Try to keep yourself hydrated. जितना ज़्यादा पानी पिएंगे उतना बॉडी डिटॉक्स रहेगा, उतना क्लीन रहेगा. योर स्किन कीप्स ऑन स्वेटिंग. द मोर इट स्वेट्स, द मोर हाइड्रेटेड इट स्टेज, more the pores are clearer. Then salt intake, junk food intake, especially the packed food intakes, colas हो गया, कोई भी packed food हो गया, वो सब आपको काफ़ी कंट्रोल रखना चाहिए. So okay, now one more thing, sometimes when we have very young kids, say 12, 13, 14-year-olds, and we cannot cut totally on the junk food, what is generally my suggestion कि चलो आज आपने पिज्ज़ा खा लिया, but then next day end up you try to intake lot of fruits, you give fiber to your body. You take an apple, you can take a papaya, you can take a watermelon, you can take a muskmelon. तो जैसे हमने उसको indirectly neutralize कर दिया, or as good as you can take a bowl of yogurt or a curd. So this is how you take care of your diet. Then your daily skincare regime. Follow a good skincare regime. My skincare regime, what all the dermatologists would suggest, is cleansing, toning, moisturizing and sunscreen. So these are the 4 skincare regimes which you have to follow. So a cleanser for a pimple type of a skin is something which should be able to clean your skin properly without dehydrating it. I'll be coming to cleansers, but because the topic has come, we want to use a cleanser which will clean your pores without making your skin go very dry and don't use abrasive scrub kind of a thing on daily basis. जितना ज़्यादा फेस को डिहाइड्रेट या ऑयल फ्री करने लगेंगे उतना हमारा जो बॉडी होता है ना वो सामने से और ऑयल बनाएगा. या सो कुछ लोगों को आदत होती है एवरी 2 hourly दे कीप ऑन वॉशिंग, पानी से धो लिया, ये कर लिया. नेवर डू लाइक दैट. Max 3 to 4 times a day. A good cleanser, but not a dehydrating cleanser. I'll be coming to the products, but just I'm telling that. So a cleanser, toner. Toner may go for alcohol-free toners. You can opt for, कुछ ज़्यादा समझ नहीं आ रहा था, you can opt for some as simple as a rose water or a clarifying toner that keeps the pores closed. Now, third would be moisturizer. Now this is a big myth which I will bust just now. हमारा स्किन ऑयली है, हमें मॉइस्चराइज़र नहीं लगाना है. दैट इज़ द टिपिकल नोशन कि हमारा तो ऑलरेडी स्किन ऑयली, हमें मॉइस्चराइज़र क्यों लगाना है. देर इज़ quite a lot of difference between the sebum and the moisturizer. So sebum is जो आपकी बॉडी प्रोड्यूस कर रहा है, जो आपका स्किन पे जो आपका सेबेशियस पाइलोसेबेशियस ग्लैंड प्रोड्यूस कर रहा है. मॉइस्चराइजर इज़ बेसिकली अ हाइड्रेटिंग प्रोडक्ट. वो क्रीमी हो ऐसा ज़रूरी नहीं है. You can use an aqueous based or a gel based moisturizer which moisturizes your skin. तो फेस वॉश के दौरान पोल्यूशन की वजह से, सन की वजह से, whatever damage has happened, that is repaired by the moisturizer. So it could be as simple as something like a aloe vera gel to a good hydrating lotion, So when we are buying products, so people with acne prone and oily skin, आप जब भी प्रोडक्ट लेते हैं ना, प्रोडक्ट पे हमेशा एक वर्ड लिखा रहता है नॉन कॉमेडोजेनिक. स्टैंडर्ड ब्रांड्स के प्रोडक्ट पे लिखा रहता है. सो इफ़ यू आर कन्फ्यूज विद द मॉइस्चराइज़र, आप एक ऐसा मॉइस्चराइज़र पिक करेंगे जिसपे नॉन कॉमेडोजेनिक और नॉन पिम्पल प्रोड्यूसिंग, जनरली नॉन कॉमेडोजेनिक लिखा होता है, हम वो प्रोडक्ट यूज़ करेंगे. देन सनस्क्रीन. नाउ सनस्क्रीन, लाइक आई सेड कि अभी सबको ये है कि हम तो घर पे ही हैं, हम सनस्क्रीन क्यों लगाएं. So even if you are indoors, you have to use a sunscreen which is at least 30 SPF. Yes, you heard it right. Even if you are indoors, you have to use a sunscreen. So we use sunscreen anything between 25 to 30 SPF. Again, water based or a mineral based sunscreen that you can go and again have a look. Okay, it is for the oily skin. So cleansing, toning, moisturizing sunscreen. Now night repair. See, again, night repair has to happen for a teenager also and for a middle-aged person also, or even the later age. Khali product keeps on changing. So a night repair for a younger age group would be something like an oil control moisturizer, which you can get it done from your dermatologist. Once you're in the late 20s, मतलब 25, 30s की age group में, तो you can they'll be giving you some moisturizer which has maybe a little bit of retinol, which take care of your pores, take care of your future hours of anti-aging. Late 30s, a good retinol product. I am here to make you identify what you should go for. But your products should be decided by your dermatologist. See, in India, I always, when I take my talk, I always say that India, we have the privilege of meeting your doctors just a call away. So why not take the advantage of that? Instead of, messing up, buying things online, using your friends' products, it's always better कि हम एक डर्मेटोलॉजिस्ट के पास अपना स्किन एनालिसिस कराएं और जो हमें सूट करता है वो ही प्रोडक्ट यूज़ करें. ऐसा ज़रूरी नहीं है कि अगर ब्रदर सिस्टर्स हैं, सिबलिंग्स हैं, तो उनको वो सूट करेगा. इवन हस्बैंड वाइफ बहुत बार वो लोग सेम प्रोडक्ट्स यूज़ करते हैं. सबके प्रोडक्ट्स, उनकी स्किन टाइप, एज, प्रोफेशन, वो सब चेंज हो जाते हैं. सो दैट इज़ द रीज़न वाई यू शुड गेट योर प्रोडक्ट्स डन बाय योर डॉक्टर. So till now we learned how to take care of your skin. Now hormonal, I've been practicing for 17 years now. In the recent 5 to 6 years, there is an upsurge of hormonal problems, whether it is because of our diet, whether it is because of our late sleeping habits, lifestyle change. So the doctors are a little concerned. एक हार्मोनल कंडीशन होता है, स्पेशली गर्ल्स, इट इज़ कॉल्ड एज PCOD. आज से 10 साल पहले मैं वो PCOD 15-16 की एज ग्रुप में देखती थी. वही PCOD अभी 12-13 की एज ग्रुप में दिख रहा है. सो समवेयर वी हैव टू मैनेज आवर लाइफस्टाइल, आवर डाइट, आर एक्सरसाइज, आर स्लीपिंग पैटर्न. कहीं ना कहीं ये सब चीज़ें आपने आजकल कोविड सिनेरियो में बहुत सुना होगा, कीप योर इम्यूनिटी हाई. सो वो ओवरऑल बैलेंस जो एक रहता है ना बॉडी का, कि टाइम पे सो, टाइम पे उठो, प्रॉपर डाइट लो, हाइड्रेटेड रहो, दैट वर्क्स फॉर योर बॉडी वेलबींग. दैट इज़ ट्रू फॉर एक्ने ऑल्सो. नाउ अगर आपको PCOD के सिम्टम्स, स्टिल आई वुड लेट यू नो, टिपिकल जॉ लाइन पे एक्ने हो रहे हैं विच आर वेरी पेनफुल. They don't go by anything and जाते हैं तो they leave a mark and all that. One. Second, girls may start getting hair on the chin and in a male pattern growth, they start getting hair on the side locks, on the tummy, around the breast. So those are hormonal changes. You suddenly start putting on weight, especially around the buttocks areas, upper arms. So those are hormonal changes, right? So you have to consult your dermatologist regarding those. कोई भी telltale, I'm not eating a lot but still I'm putting on weight, please see your doctor. So these are the different factors which are causative of acne. तो आपके हाथ में क्या है? आपके हाथ में आपका डाइट है, आपका स्किन केयर रेजिम है, आपका स्लीपिंग पैटर्न है और आपका एक्सरसाइज है. मेडिकल पार्ट, इफ गॉड फॉरबिड इट हैपन्स, then you have to take care of your dermat. We have a question. Please suggest a good cream for dark circles. Generally dark circles is not today's topic, but still it depends on person to person. Kindly message me, I'll get back to you. What are good treatments of dark spots? I'll be coming to that. So till now we understood what is to be taken care in diet, what is the skincare regime. वन मोर थिंग विच आई वुड लाइक टू हाईलाइट हेयर, कि सपोज आपके भाई बहन ने या आपके फ्रेंड ने किसी डर्मैट को कंसल्ट किया है फॉर योर एक्ने, फॉर देयर एक्ने, प्लीज़ डोंट यूज़ देयर मेडिसिन्स एंड देयर प्रिस्क्रिप्शन फॉर यू. द डॉक्टर हैज़ टू डिसाइड व्हाट इज़ गुड फॉर दैट पर्टिकुलर पर्सन. समटाइम्स मैंने देखा है लोग ऐसे क्रॉस यूज़ करके आते हैं and end up having burns, bad results or whatever. So better not to do that. Now in case of hormonal imbalance, you have to do your blood reports, sonographies, and the gynec and endocrinologist and dermatologist एक साथ मिल के वो एक ट्रीटमेंट रेजिम आपका बनाते हैं. नाउ आई विल डायरेक्टली कम टू ट्रीटमेंट्स विच इज़ ऑलमोस्ट एवरीबडीज़ क्वेरी. कि पहली बात जो सबसे बड़ा क्वेरी होता है, जो मेरा हर एक पेशेंट आके पहले पूछता है कि जब मैं ट्रीटमेंट कराऊंगा तब तक पिंपल जाएंगे और मैं बंद करूंगा वापस आ जाएंगे. दैट्स द वेरी बेसिक क्वेश्चन ऑफ एवरीथिंग, जो शायद अभी जितने भी व्यूअर्स हैं उनके दिमाग में भी चल रहा होगा. अंडरस्टैंड वन थिंग, पिंपल्स या एक्ने इज़ नॉट अ डिजीज़. दैट्स वाई मैंने उसका पूरा आपको पैथोफिजियोलॉजी समझाया कि वो होता ही क्यों है. पिंपल और एक्ने इज़ अ कंडीशन. तो आपको जो आगे के चेंजेस हैं वो सब मैं रिपीट नहीं कर रही हूँ, बट अगर आपका डॉक्टर आपको 5 to 6 मंथ्स में टोटली पिंपल फ्री कर देता है या कर देती है, उसका मतलब ये नहीं है कि आप फिर सब कुछ छोड़ के वापस बैक टू स्क्वायर वन आ जाएं. यू हैव टू फॉलो द स्किन केयर रेजिम. You have to follow a deep pore cleansing treatment maybe 1 to 2 monthly, and you have to follow your lifestyle modifications. जब तक वो आप मेंटेन नहीं करेंगे द एक्ने keeps on coming back. स्पेशली जो टीनेज ग्रुप होता है, द 15 to 25, वो सबसे डाइसी होता है. सेकेंड डिफिकल्ट एज ग्रुप होता है 35 प्लस वाला, because again especially the females, the hormone changes starts, they have delivered, they have got a lot of hormone changes, and उसके बाद again they step into having acne and breakouts and weird acne, leaving bad marks on the face. We have a question, say suggestions for tired looking eyes. Tired looking eyes, first you have to get your eyesight and all that checked. Keep it hydrated. Vitamin C serums you can use. Vitamin K for Kerala. Vitamin K and vitamin C serums, keep it hydrated. So once it is hydrated, the tiredness goes away. You can take vitamin E and C orally also, or as a form of medication, or just try to take a lot of citrus fruits, so it keeps you hydrated. So hydration is the thing. And morning, don't forget your sunscreen. Once you apply your sunscreen, your skin damage doesn't happen, so it doesn't look tired and all blackish and wrinkled. A good face wash for oily skin. I'm sorry, I'll not be able to name brands here, but that's a very good question. When we are looking for a face wash for oily skin, you can go for 2 to 3 things what you have to keep in mind. One, it could have salicylic acid, it could have benzoyl peroxide, it could have tea tree oil, it could have AHA. Abhi sabko pata hai what is AHA, alpha hydroxy acid, the fruit acid based products. So these are good face washes. Try avoiding the abrasive and the scrubbing face washes on a regular daily basis. You have to use your scrub or mask pack not more than once a week, right? What is the lifestyle? What is the lifestyle for hormonal acne? See, hormonal acne has a lot of grades. PCOD has grades, and especially when it's in men, when it is not PCOD, then again we have to first, most importantly, cut down on your weight. So weight, one. Second, I said cut down on your fat and carbs. You have to take a high protein, low fat and carb diets and try to introduce lot of hydration and citrus. आप कुछ भी ले सकते हैं, आप लेमन ले सकते हैं, लेमन जूस ले सकते हैं, ऑरेंज, मौसमी, पाइनएप्पल, कीवी, grapes, watermelon. All these are the I call them colored fruits, so they have all the good antioxidants in that. Whatever the seasonal fruits are there. I'm sorry, I'm not from Delhi, I'm from Rajkot, so you can message me, I'll get back to you. Yeah, see, tea tree is a very wonderful product. If it is, we have a question, tea tree face pack would be beneficial or not. Tea tree has got very good astringent and antibacterial activities, so it is definitely good, but overdo नहीं करने का. जैसे कि कोई भी टी टी का मास्क है या स्क्रब है, उसको once a week ही यूज़ करिए and go for standard brands. टीवी में ऐड देख के या ऑनलाइन ऐड देख के मत लीजिए प्रोडक्ट्स. गो फॉर ऑथेंटिक स्टैंडर्ड ब्रांड्स जिनका प्रीवियस हिस्ट्री आप सब मतलब गो फॉर टाइम टेस्टेड ब्रांड्स. डोंट एक्सपेरिमेंट ऑन योर सेल्फ क्योंकि कोई ऑफर दे रहा है इसलिए हम खरीद ले रहे हैं, ऐसा नहीं करना है. नाउ आई वॉन्टेड टू टेल यू समथिंग रिगार्डिंग ट्रीटमेंट्स. हाँ, लाइक आई वॉज कि मेरा पिंपल वापस तो नहीं आएगा. सो इफ़ we do your treatment, everything goes away and वापस आ रहा है, तो the doctor has to decide whether they want to do the blood test, whether they want to rule out hormonal or environmental, or that the doctor decides. But you have to take care of your diet, your regime. You don't have to stop that. Tulsi green tea again will be an antioxidant. Yes, it will be beneficial. It will keep you hydrated and detox. It will detox your body. It will help in weight loss also, and it will help in pore cleansing. There is no method of getting rid of acne quickly. See, any skin problem, I'll not name it disease, any skin problem generally takes 2 to 3 months, क्योंकि जो हमारा स्किन साइकिल होता है वही 21 to 27 डेज का होता है. तो कोई भी छोटी से छोटी प्रॉब्लम होगी तो उसको 2 to 3 स्किन साइकिल्स आपको डॉक्टर को देना ही पड़ेगा. या but if you have some functions or anything coming up, I'm coming to the treatments. Immediate things can be done by your doctor, but that the doctor decides. Okay, what are the treatment options available for a oily skin? The oily skin gives rise to a acne. So अगर हम oily पर ही अटका देंगे तो हम acne तक पहुँचेंगे ही नहीं. So like I said, this cleansing, toning, moisturizing, weekly scrub pack. The basic treatments what starts is called as a polishing or a microdermabrasion. शायद almost सब लोगों को पता होता है, but preferably get it done with your doctor. Don't do it in the parlor. जिनको नहीं पता, एक बहुत छोटा सा पेन का टिप जैसा मशीन होता है which has a vacuum, which is passes given on your face, और जो भी dead skin है वो remove हो जाता है, और जो ब्लैक हेड और ऑयल जो भी है वो उसमें सक्शन में आ जाता है. सो इट जस्ट क्लेंजेज योर स्किन, रिमूव्स ऑफ द अनवांटेड केराटिन लेयर, एंड देन द प्रोडक्ट व्हाट इज टू बी पेनिट्रेटेड जिससे वो ऑयल कंट्रोल हो, द डॉक्टर अप्लाइज. आई एम सॉरी आई फॉरगॉट टू मेंशन वन प्रोडक्ट. देयर आर समथिंग कॉल्ड एज सीबो रेगुलेटरी क्रीम्स और सीबो रेगुलेटरी सीरम्स. So again that your doctor would tell, but they are beautiful products, and like I was a very oily skin, but when you apply it on your face for almost 8 to 12 hours, you have a totally mattified skin. So you can go for those products under supervision of your dermatologist. Yes, honey, turmeric and pepper is good again, because again turmeric is cleansing. All this, see, all tulsi hai, honey, turmeric hai, आंवला इज़ माई ऑल टाइम फेवरेट, लेमन, ये कोई भी जो विटामिन सी या जो डिटॉक्स वाले जो ग्रीन टी है, दे ऑल गिव यू लॉट ऑफ, यू डोंट नीड टू गो फॉर फैंसी प्रोडक्ट्स, सब अपने किचन में मिलता है. सो यू डोंट नीड टू गो फॉर वेरी हाई फाई प्रोडक्ट्स. यू कैन ऑलवेज टेक इट वॉट एवर योर बॉडी, जो आपकी बॉडी को सूट करता है. सो फर्स्ट ट्रीटमेंट पॉलिशिंग. द सेकेंड कॉमनेस्ट ट्रीटमेंट इज समथिंग कॉल्ड एज अ पीलिंग. अब पीलिंग के ना बहुत डबल व्यूज़ होते हैं कि हम पील करेंगे तो हमारी स्किन की लेयर निकल जाएगी. दैट इज़ द एप्रीहेंशन ऑफ एवरी पर्सन हु डजंट नो व्हाट द पील इज़. सो बेसिकली व्हाट इज़ अ पील? इट्स अ फ्रूट कॉन्सेंट्रेट और AHA BHA कॉन्सेंट्रेट और सम मेडिकल प्रोडक्ट्स लाइक सैलिसिलिक एसिड, TCA, वॉट एवर, जो एक प्रॉपर प्योरीफाइड फॉर्म में, सीरम फॉर्म में अवेलेबल होते हैं, जो आपके डर्मैट्स आपके फेस पे लगाते हैं. और जहाँ डेड स्किन है, जहाँ इन्फेक्शन है, जहाँ पोर ब्लॉक्ड है, वो वहीं पे एंटर करता है, एंड इट रिमूव्स द अनवांटेड डेड स्किन और द अनवांटेड एक्ने. सपोज यहाँ पे कुछ नहीं है तो वहाँ से स्किन रिमूव नहीं होगा, तो ओनली द डेड स्किन इज रिमूव्ड. तो रेगुलर पीलिंग से स्किन पतली हो जाएगी. दैट्स अ टोटली रॉन्ग नोशन. या प्रेफरेबली डोंट डू इट इन द पार्लर्स, डोंट ट्राई इट एट होम. I've seen a lot of people buying products from the online platforms and end up having burns. It looks simple, but it's a very technically demanding procedure. So better है कि आप आपके dermatologist के पास ही peel कराएंगे. Upton face wash, good or bad? That's a very nice question. I am not in a lot of favor of food grade face packs. या सपोज बेसन है, ओट्स है, हनी है, अगर आप फूड आइटम का पैक लगाते हैं तो आपको रिमूव करके हमेशा यू हैव टू डबल क्लेंज इट विद अ टोनर. क्योंकि कभी कभी क्या होता है, पोर्स बहुत बारीक होते हैं, यू डोंट अंडरस्टैंड यू नो हाउ थिन आर दोज. सो अगर उसमें फूड पार्टिकल्स बेसन ही रह गया, सो यू एंड अप हैविंग मोर इन्फेक्शन. It is always preferable to go for ready-made packs of good brands. You can go for charcoal, you can go for tea tree, you can go for bentonite or multani matti, you can go for clay, deep sea mud. So अच्छे brands के बहुत packs आते हैं. Food grade you can use, but then you have to remove. कुछ नहीं मिले तो rose water से, but you after removing pack you have to cleanse it with a toner. See, there is nothing like best vitamin C serum. There are a whole lot of brands available. If you are confused कि मैं क्या खरीदूँ, always go for the medicated brands. क्योंकि उसमें suppose अगर 5%, 10, 15 जो भी लिखा है वो उसके ingredients में वो होगा. So medicated brands, like I said, I would not be able to name brands because it's a live thing, but you can go for any medicated good vitamin C brands, and generally the medicated vitamin C brands have a higher vitamin C than the cosmetic brands. So generally cosmetic brands are not allowed over 5% and medicated will have 10 to 15%, right? Right, fractional laser, I'm coming to that. So first was polish, second was peel. So आप बिंदास पील कराइए, आप प्रॉपर डॉक्टर के पास सुपरविजन में कराइए. यू विल हैव अ ब्यूटिफुल शाइनिंग ग्लोइंग स्किन. इट इज़ अ 20-25 minutes procedure and you can repeat it monthly or 15 days or monthly depending upon your profession. Third is something called as a IPL laser or a photofacial. So it is for those people जिनका overtly sensitive skin है, जो 5 से 6 घंटे से या बहुत ज़्यादा ही सन एक्सपोजर में रहते हैं, जो बिल्कुल ही पील टॉलरेट नहीं करते हैं, those who need a good anti-aging effect also, those who have photo damaged skin. So IPL is a very good treatment for people having rosacea, people having sensitive skin, very young age people, very older aged people. So photofacial is the second name. तो वो भी एक बहुत अच्छा ट्रीटमेंट होता है. Third treatment comes carbon peel. I'll be coming to fractional. Third is the carbon peel. That is the latest treatment. We even call it Hollywood peel. It is the best available treatment for your pores. Basically what are pores? जो pilosebaceous glands है, जब उसमें blockage हो जाता है, think it like as a drain pipe, तो उसमें block हो जाता है तो वो open हो जाता है, तो वो दिखने लगता है and the whitehead pops out. So that is called as an open pore. So carbon peel or Q-switched toning is the most wonderful treatment, which is fast, no redness, no aftercare, no downtime. You can actually put makeup after that. So that's one of my favorite treatment, and the shine and the texture improvement what it gives after 2 or 3 sitting is tremendous. And it can be done again every 15 days, 1 month, 1.5 months, depending upon your lifestyle. Third, like the gentleman is asking, what is a fractional laser? फ्रैक्शनल लेज़र इज़ व्हेन कभी कभी पोर्स इतने ज़्यादा टाइम तक ओपन रह जाते हैं कि दे स्टार्ट हैविंग गेटिंग पिट्स, और यू हैव एक्ने स्कार पिट्स, और यू हैव सो मच ऑफ डेड स्किन दैट द इनिशियल 3 to 4 ट्रीटमेंट्स विच आई जस्ट एक्सप्लेन्ड वो काम नहीं करेंगे. तो इन दैट केस फ्रैक्शनल इज़ द बेस्ट ट्रीटमेंट. So fractional laser is a CO2 laser or erbium glass laser. There are 3 to 4 varieties which your doctor decides. So उसमें again the dead skin is removed, but it is little more aggressive. तो fractional laser का एक ही setback तो मैं नहीं कहूँगी, but एक ही demand है कि post laser you have to stay indoors for 2 days. You have to apply a good lot of sunscreen for almost say 1 week. Actually you should apply every day, but you have to actually take care for 1 week. But the results are tremendous. मतलब अगर जो एक fractional laser result देगा वो 3 peels result देगा. So it is that powerful. So you have a wedding coming up, we have like 1 month in hand, we have lot of acne spots. There was a question for acne spots. So Q-switch laser or fractional lasers, they work the most wonderful way when we have 20 to 25 days or very less time in between. पील जो हो गया, कार्बन जो हो गया, वो आपको लॉन्ग स्टैंडिंग ट्रीटमेंट है कि भाई जैसे आपने फेशियल कर रहा पार्लर में, उसकी जगह आप डॉक्टर के पास आए, आपने पील कराया, आपने कार्बन पील कराया, उस तरह से रहते हैं, राइट. Then there are other treatments like derma rollers है, PRP है. So those are all a good lot of treatments which can be done. जिनको ऑलरेडी बहुत एक्ने स्कार्स हैं, बहुत पुराने खड्डे हैं, 5 साल 10 साल पुराने हैं, जब से आज से 10 साल पहले लेजर्स अवेलेबल नहीं था, who are in the 40s or the late 30s, fractional is very good for them. And then you can go for threads, you can go for fat fillers, there are a lot of options. Suman, fractional is not a very good option for my side for tanning, because fractional tanning जो होता है ना वो deeper layer में होता है, it is pigmentation. Fractional is for superficial, जो ऊपर की dead skin हटानी है उसके लिए है. So tanning के लिए best is photofacial with peels, or you can go for a blue toning with Q-switch. Fractional is not my first choice for tanning. Derma roller is also a very good option. One more thing I just forgot. In Indian kind of a setup, some people have a habit of putting, a lot of oil in their head and in their hair, and उसको 1 दिन 2 दिन 4 दिन ऐसे रखते हैं. So that's not a very good thing to do. We call pomade acne. यहाँ पे पिंपल होते हैं, so basically वो सारा आता है. So oiling your scalp is good, बट ऑयल आधा घंटा 1 घंटा 2 घंटा उससे ज़्यादा रखने का उसका कोई मतलब नहीं है. जस्ट कैचेस डस्ट एंड ग्राइंड. सो दैट इज़ कॉल्ड पोमेड एक्ने. यहाँ पर जब पिंपल्स हो जाते हैं, कान के पीछे हो जाते हैं, दोज आर ऑल बिकॉज ऑफ ओवर यूजिंग ऑफ ऑयल, या उसको रखने की वजह से वो होता है ऑयल. मिस्टर रेड्डी, ऑयली स्किन, आई थिंक यू जॉइन लेट, सो यू हैव टू यूज अ गुड ऑयल कंट्रोल क्लेंजर, अ फेस वॉश, a good sunscreen, oil control sunscreen, and a night serum which would have retinol or salicylic acid. Tanning could be dermal or epidermal, yeah, Suman, but if it is basically tanning है, pigmentation है, sunburn है, तो वो उस पर डिपेंड करता है कि उसकी लेवल कितना है. देन वो जनरली ऐसे देख के नहीं पता चलता. वी एनालाइज द स्किन एंड सी. But like I said, fractional, I personally don't feel, because see, we are black people, Indians are black. Foreigners के लिए ठीक है. Sometimes fractional अगर over tan skin पे करते हैं, you take lot of time to heal. So why unnecessary go to generally that's your doctor's perspective, but it is not a very good option. Jasnas are very good peel, Suman, and if your doctor is well trained in that, they give awesome results, especially when there are pores and whiteheads and lot of patches. It's one of my favorite peels. If someone has any doubt regarding the previous things, like what I said regarding your diet, your lifestyle, then also you can, we can come to that. One more thing, a lot of people have a habit of rubbing and popping out and all that. Understand one thing, जो pilosebaceous gland जो होता है, it is quite deep. It is almost half a centimeter or more deeper. So what happens when you try to pop it out? तो ऊपर से तो निकल जाता है उसका जो white head है, but जो उसका blockage है, but जो नीचे का है ना, when you press it, think it like a balloon with a long neck. So वो नीचे फट जाता है, that balloon burst because you're pressing it. That causes something like a pit, so that causes it to give you a scar. So never pop out your zit. Even the salon people press and take out your comedons or whiteheads. That is actually not a good thing to do. The dermatologists generally use the polishing, the vacuum to suck it out. So you don't need to press it, you have to suck it out. That's a very good question, Kanu. Vitamin C is little, dicey. Vitamin C में ना hydration बहुत होता है. So, some people, almost 25 to 30% people having severely oily skin may end up having more acne with vitamin C. So, what are the choices of serums for the oily skin? Zinc serums, niacinamide, retinol, salicylic, tea tree based, witch hazel based. So those are all vitamin C. आप पहले trial कर सकते हैं, maybe on your neck, on your forehead. But direct vitamin C is little dicey for oily skin, especially the younger age group. 40s के बाद problem नहीं आता है. But in the younger age group, preferably go for the other serums. I hope I was a little fast. I hope I was I'm able to answer your questions. Let me see if I have forgotten anything. You can please repost it if I'm not reached you properly. Peels में I would again repeat कि try not to do it on your own after buying it online. It is very risky, and if you get a burn, it takes ages for you to get rid of that. It will cost you more than the peel with the doctor. Yeah, hyaluronic serum is a very nice serum. Basically हमारे स्किन में जो स्पॉन्ज होता है जिसकी वजह से स्किन सॉफ्ट रहता है, that is because of the collagen and the hyaluronic acid. So hyaluronic serum is very hydrating. It is non-comedogenic, and of course you can use it. उसमें then you can get varieties. Scarring में alone hyaluronic serum, if it is a fresh scarring, जैसे अभी बहुत ही fresh है, then it should give you some results. But only application of hyaluronic, I would not be very comfortable to answer कि उससे जाएगा वो. But yeah, you can always try. It would give you some lifting and some plumping effect for the scars. But if they are old scars, then we have to do the fractional lasers and then apply the hyaluronic, so the penetration happens. Percentage of vitamin C, would I presume it's vitamin C. 15 is the best, but 15% are available only with some particular brands. Initially you can start with 5. So the lesser the percent, the lesser comedogenic it is. So you can start with 5. It gives a very bright and fresh look. You can start with 5%. Then shift, once it's non-comedogenic, you can shift it to the 10 or the 15% ones. One more thing which I would like to put in to the viewers just now. There is because like I said, with the hormonal thing and all that happening in the younger age group, I have seen a lot of parents coming to me with kids as young as 9 to 10 years, who are starting getting blackheads and whiteheads and tiny breakouts on the face. So it's actually very nice, that they come to the doctor and take their opinion rather than experimenting yourself. So it's a sign of hormonal change. So if you feel, your kid is starting getting whitehead, blackhead on the nose, and they're just 8, 9, 10-year-old, so always consult your dermatologist or your pediatrician, So how can they help them? Because they're too young to, hormonal changes को समझने के लिए वो भी बहुत छोटे होते हैं बच्चे. Okay, Swati, I forgot your question. Do good spot treatment for your dark. One, you can go for the treatments, the peel, the Q-switch. हम क्रीम्स में जैसे कोजिक क्रीम्स हैं, आर्बिटन क्रीम्स हैं, विटामिन सी जेल्स हैं, हाइड्रोक्विनोन, वो सब क्रीम्स हैं, वो डार्क स्पॉट ट्रीटमेंट्स के लिए दे आर वेरी गुड एंड दे गिव यू अ गुड पिगमेंट रिडक्शन. सो दोज आर द गुड क्रीम्स. Madam, which is the best moisturizer and sunscreen? Mr. Reddy, see, all products are good. What is good for your skin, that your dermatologist would decide. Yeah, but like I said before, go for brands which are standard. Don't go for brands which you've not even heard of. Look for the ingredients written behind the brand. Generally, whichever brand, when they write all the 10, 15, 20 ingredients, they at least tend to tell what is there in the cream. One, sunscreen, preferably go for the oily skin we are discussing today. Anything between 15 to 45, and go for the aqueous or the gel based or the water based sunscreen. Now we'll be even getting the spray sunscreen in India for the hair or for the body areas which are totally watery. तो वो बिल्कुल पानी जैसा होता है, तो it doesn't even show. It's like a sheer makeup. वो दिखता ही नहीं है. So that is a beautiful product for oily skin. The ladies generally use a luminous sheer for makeup. उस टाइप का सनस्क्रीन भी लॉन्च हो गया है अभी इंडिया में. I hope I was of some help. Even if मैं 5 से 10% भी आपके queries solve कर पाई, it would be a great pleasure to me. If you still have question, you can post here. You can find me at Instagram at Dr. Priyanka Sutaria. Yeah, I'm Dr. Priyanka Sutaria. So if you still have questions, you can message me. I'll be very happy to answer them. Yeah, that's a very nice question. रेटिनॉइड और रेटिनॉल दो अलग प्रोडक्ट्स होते हैं. रेटिनॉइड्स इज स्पेसिफिकली मेंट फॉर एक्सफोलिएशन ऑफ द स्किन. जैसे कि बहुत डेड स्किन है, कुछ लोगों की एकदम थिक यहाँ पूरे पैचेस हो जाते हैं, बहुत वाइट हेड ब्लैक हेड है, सो दोज आर रेटिनॉइड्स. Retinoids is always to be applied before bed. They have to be applied, not rubbed, and generally use a moisture. It is to be applied only in the affected areas. You don't apply retinoids on this area because they tend to make it sensitive. हमेशा रेटिनॉइड्स को एक सनस्क्रीन के साथ मॉर्निंग में कवर करना चाहिए और रात को यूज़ अ हाइड्रेटिंग मॉइस्चराइजर एंड देन अप्लाई द रेटिनॉइड. अदरवाइज क्या होता है, जो ये एरिया होता है ना, वो इरिटेबल होना शुरू हो जाता है. स्टार्ट विथ 0.25% of retinoid. If it doesn't cause any irritation, then you go for maybe 0.4 or 0.5. But retinoids is not something which you can use for months together. You use 1 or 2 tubes, you get back to normal, then you shift to retinols. Retinols are purified forms of retinoids. वो इसीलिए एक्सपेंसिव होते हैं. जैसे फॉर एग्जांपल कोई भी रेटिनॉइड की ट्यूब जो है ना 200, 250, 300 की रेंज का आता है, and retinol start from the range of 1000-1500. but the retinol आपको मेंटेनेंस के लिए चाहिए, आपको पोर टाइटनिंग के लिए चाहिए, आपको एंटी एजिंग के लिए चाहिए. यू कैन गो फॉर रेटिनॉल्स medicated brands with help of your doctor. When you have pigmentation around your mouth, first of all we have to check the iron, B12 and all those levels because it is very common with vitamin deficiency. Second is sun exposure, कि आपका work sun की वजह से तो नहीं है. And then you can use a depigmenting, जैसे मैंने बताया था ना, Kozic, Arbutin, but that your doctor decides, so better your doctor judges it. Clindac is an antibiotic gel. Yes, you can use on the pimple, but preferably with the prescription of your dermatologist. I'm sorry guys, I'll not be able to really name brands out here or suggest you creams. You can always do a teleconsulting with any dermatologist or myself or anyone for a personalized thing. This talk is more for awareness of what is pimples all about. Why do pimples happen? Like I said, okay, it's a functional condition, it's a lifestyle disorder, it's not a disease, but it is very mentally exhausting. Kuch log, they get very depressed because they have pimples, they don't look good and all that, they try to hide it with makeup. So we want everyone to have a flawless skin, so you have to take care right from your diet. I'm repeating it again and again because in my every prescription, medicines is just 25%. So medicine, diet, lifestyle and treatments, everything has its own part. Reasons for pale skin, that's a very difficult question. So maybe you first get your B12, iron levels, hemoglobin checked, and if that is all okay, then you can talk to your dermatologist. I'm not talking of the diseases just now. So then you can go for a good antioxidants, glutathione, good hydrating vitamin C and all those serums if we are just talking of the face part. If it is everywhere, then it has to do something with the internal and the doctor decides. Aloe vera is good, but two things. That's again a good question. Don't just keep applying it and then keep it overnight and all that. Aloe vera, preferably use the purified gel forms. जो हम कट करके लगाते हैं उसमें कभी कभी रिस्क ये होता है कि बर्न या कुछ होने का चांस होता है बिकॉज इट्स वेरी स्ट्रॉन्ग. तो थोड़ा ही क्वांटिटी लेना है and don't use it more than say half an hour or something. उसको लगा के मसाज करके then like a pack and then wash it off. Just don't roam about applying the aloe vera gel. Yeah, that's a very nice question. Supplements. Actually I forgot it. There is something called as zinc. So अभी तो सब zinc पे master हो गए because of the COVID thing. जिंक अपना जो ओवरऑल बॉडी का जो डिटॉक्स कहेंगे या उसका जो इम्यूनिटी है, ये जो हम उसे रेडिकल स्कैवेंजिंग बोलते हैं डॉक्टर्स, ROC. जो रेडिकल स्कैवेंजिंग जो है ना उसको बहुत इम्प्रूव करता है विटामिन C एंड जिंक. सो फिर वो वायरस हो बॉडी में या कोई इन्फेक्शन हो या सिंपल पिंपल्स हो, So that vitamins clarifies your skin, your pores, your everything, and gives beautiful results. So if I have very young kids, whom I don't want to medicate, so I definitely give them vitamin A. That has very nice hyperkeratotic, मतलब pimples कम करते हैं वो. Zinc बहुत अच्छा है. It works beautifully. किसी किसी को गैस्ट्राइटिस हो जाता है जिंक से, बट दैट इज टेम्पररी, एसिडिटी जैसा, दैट गोज अवे इन सम टाइम. एंड अदर सप्लीमेंट्स आर एंटीऑक्सीडेंट्स. द विटामिन ए, विटामिन सी, विटामिन ई, उसका जो कॉम्बिनेशन आता है, ओमेगा 3 इज ब्यूटिफुल फॉर हैविंग अ हेल्दी स्किन. Even these guys are having ads of vitamin E. That is very good, because generally Indian population, most of the population is vegetarian. So omega is present in very few vegetarian foods like walnuts, flax seeds, sesame के तल, उसमें भी black sesame, तो उस सब में ही वो ज़्यादा होता है. So we generally try and tend to give it as a supplement, and zinc is very difficult in veg food. So zinc is an element, but yeah, it works like an antioxidant. It enhances the effects of the antioxidants. I've already spoken about dark circles. We don't have that topic today, but still, Vinaya, dark circles, you can first check out the reasons के eyesight issues or B12 iron, वो सब जो medical issues नहीं है, you can go for a good hydrating vitamin E or vitamin K or vitamin C cream. You get good medicated dark circle creams, again with the prescription of your doctor. Omega is there in fish oil supplements, but with considering the vegetarian crowd in India, we have veg source omega also available. They're a little more expensive than the non-veg source, but yeah, we have both options. So if vegetarian and non-vegetarian is the issue, you can opt for the result is almost the same. This is the only cost difference is there. So omega is very good, and you can definitely take it. If you're a non-vegetarian, then also you can take a course, and otherwise you can go for the vegetarian. There is even something called as marine collagen, and there is something called as a plant collagen. So it is somewhere related to the tightening of the skin and healthy effects of the skin. अभी collagen के बहुत shots, collagen powders, everything is available. Just look at the genuinity of the company. Read there, हमेशा उसका जो R&D फैक्टर होता है ना, रिसर्च एंड डेवलपमेंट, उसमें जाके आप देखिए कि वो कंपनी का बैकग्राउंड कैसा है. इज इट अ फार्मास्यूटिकल बैकग्राउंड और इट्स अ फेक, आपको बहुत आइडिया आ जाएगा. तो कोलाजन, good standard company collagen powders work awesome, especially in the later age groups, who have I use them with scarring with my fractional lasers for anti-aging. But yeah, you have to choose your brand. Optimal ferritin levels, generally 80 होना चाहिए according to the level given in the pathological report. They say 20, 25 or 30, but people who have below 70 or 80, they tend to have hair fall more. Generally बहुत बार ऐसा होता है कि हीमोग्लोबिन 12-13 होगा, हेयर फॉल हो रहा है, एंड स्टिल यू हैव अ लो फेरेटिन. So then you have to, ferritin is supplemented generally with injectable, but some particular iron brands help. So ferritin level should be above 70 to avoid having hair fall. Thank you for joining me. It was a pleasure talking to you all. Still, if you have any questions, find me at Insta at Dr. Priyanka Sutaria. And thank you so much, Skin Diaries, for giving me this opportunity to speak at your platform. Thank you so much. Namaste.